Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. So today I have got a super fun coding challenge for all of you. Are you ready? Awesome. So Mother's Day is coming soon and we are going to use our awesome Scratch skills to create something really cool for our amazing moms. Yes, that's right. Our next project is to create a special Mother's Day card. Just imagine how big your mom's smile will be when you show her the magical thing that you just coded for her. She is going to be proud for her little coder. So we are on the Scratch screen now. So I'll click on create. And let's see what all we have to get started. So let's click on some sprites. Let's check on some sprites. See some people. So let's take this character, Abby. So now we have this character Abby, and let's delete the Scratch cat for now. Now let us add a gift for your mother. Let's add a gift. So you can search for any sprite from here. Okay, so I'll take this color. You can go to costumes, so you have different colors, red and blue. So let's choose the red color. Awesome. And this is your mother. So if you want to edit this particular sprite, you can go to costumes. Okay, and if you want to change the color to pink, let's take some colors like pink, and let's change the t-shirt's color to pink. Select the color again. Okay, so let's select the color. Awesome. In this way we have added this sprite and we have this gift. Now we want this greeting card to be interactive, right? So what we will do, like when we are clicking on this gift, we want something to pop out. So it might be chocolates, it might be flowers or something like that. Okay, so let's see some more sprites, like a cake. Okay, we have this cake already. Take a cake also. All right, and let's choose a backdrop. So let's see what we can take. We want something like a celebration. Okay, this is a party theme. Okay, so in this way we have taken this backdrop and 3 sprites. We can edit the backdrop. So just select on the backdrop and go over here on the second tab, and let's add the letters. So let's add some letters. Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mom. Okay, so I have taken this and we have added it here. So looks perfect. Now let's start coding this. So let us go to the gift and let's try to edit this. So I will add some text over here. We'll add like click me. Okay, we want the user, that is your mom, to click on this, right? So we will just change the color a bit. Okay. And we will add it. Okay, so here we can see it is showing click me. Perfect. Now let's go and add. Now let's go to events and We will select when this sprite is clicked. Okay, so when this sprite is clicked, we want the cake to show up. Okay, so we will send a message when this sprite is clicked. We will broadcast a message, show the cake. Okay, so what broadcast is nothing but sending messages. Okay, so this particular sprite is sending messages to all other objects, all other sprites. So when I am clicking on this gift, it is sending show the cake message to all the other sprites, and this message is also received by this cake sprite. Okay, so let's click on cake, and when I receive show the cake, okay, so when I receive show the cake, what it will do, we have to go to looks and we have to show the cake. Okay, so before starting this project, when green flag is clicked, we will hide it. So generally when somebody is throwing up a surprise, right, during the birthday parties, we will just hide the cake, we will not show them directly. So when the green flag is clicked, means the program is started, right? So that's why when the green flag is clicked, we will hide it. Go to looks and hide the cake before, and let's show it when the gift is clicked. Okay, and when the green flag is clicked, we have to show the gift. Okay, and when this sprite is clicked, we will hide it. Okay, after the broadcast is done, we will hide the gift. Let's try this now. I will just maximize this. Let's try to run this one. So we can see this cake is not there. We'll click on this gift. Awesome, right? We are able to see the cake now. Let's change the position of the cake. We will just drag it over here. And what else can we do? We can add some sound as well. So let's go over here. When this sprite is clicked, we can even add a sound. Here this is a pop sound. By default there is a pop sound, but we can go to this sounds, click on this sound. Okay, and there should be some party sound or cheer. Okay, so we have this cheer sound. So I will take this cheer sound. So let's try to run this now. You can even add your own voice recording. You can say like, "Mom, I love you," or you can sing some poems for your mom, or anything emotional that you want to express to your mom. So just record it in your voice, and that voice also you can add it, or any music that you want to show. So let's try to run this now. So let's try to run. So isn't this nice? So it's a simple project. Do try it out. So this is a simple way you can show, you can create a greeting card for your mother. What more ways can you? Your minds are already bubbling with some awesome ideas, but let me share some more ideas to get you started. You could code a pop-up greeting card telling your mom why you love her so much, or maybe a fun memory game with photos of you and your mom. What about an animated story showing your mom's favorite moments? Oh, that would be sweet. Or you could get really silly and create a game that mixes up funny words to describe your mom. Just make sure to keep it nice, okay? The possibilities are endless, and this is your chance to code something incredible for your mom. Customize it with your own characters, backgrounds, sounds, and make it extra special just for her. Oh, and you will be practicing all new Scratch skills too, like animation and coding events. Perfect time for leveling up with your superpowers. So, what do you say? Are you ready for this Mother's Day quest? I know you are. So, grab your coding wands and let's get started on making something magical for your mom. I can't wait to see you create. So, share all your cool ideas in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome coding adventures like this one. Let's make Mother's Day unforgettable with coding. Bye bye.